I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm sharing some smart uses for PVC pipes. Whether you have some pieces left over from an old project, or you purchase a few inexpensive sections from the home center, PVC pipes have some pretty handy uses around the house. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Collect leaves. Cut and assemble PVC pipe into a frame, and then clamp a bag around the opening to hold it upright for filling with leaves, or place it on its side to hold the bag open while raking. Store anything. Cap one end of a PVC pipe, fill it with nails, screws, or other hardware, cap the remaining side, and add a label for a makeshift storage container. Control stray cords. Wrangle unruly cords by sliding them through a piece of PVC conduit to clean up the look and keep them safely out of the way. Extend a vacuum hose. Attach a 1.5-inch diameter tube to the end of the hose with duct tape to extend your reach into tight spaces. Divert water away from the foundation. 2H landscape contractor Roger Cook secures a perforated 4-inch diameter tube to the end of a downspout, lays the tube in a shallow trench lined with plastic sheeting, and covers it with gravel. Water plants. Drill small holes spaced several inches apart along the entire length of a small pipe. Place the tube into a potted plant and add water for a slow, even soak. Make a C-clamp. Cut a slot along the length of a pipe, and then cut it into sections to use as low-force clamps to hold a protective covering in place on a work surface. I hope you enjoyed these useful tips. For more clever uses and easy woodworking projects, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.